As we know, colorectal adenocarcinoma is a common gastrointestinal cancer, and phosphoryl carboxykinase 1, also known as the PCK1, is an enzyme which in humans is encoded by the PCK1 gene, and PCK1 was reported to promote cancer metastasis. However, its deficiency was also found to promote the proliferation of certain tumors. Thus, this study was conducted to explore the impact of the PCK1 on the progression-free interval of colorectal adenocarcinoma. So, in the methods, the RNA sequence data and corresponding clinical information of colorectal adenocarcinoma tissue and corresponding normal tissues were extracted from the Cancer Genome Atlas, the TCGA database. Then the Lima package in our software was used to compare the PCK1 expression differences between the normal and cancer tissues by using the Wilcoxon rank sum test. Then the survival analysis of PFI was conducted by the Kaplan-Meier, the KM method, via the SURF-Minor package in our software. Next, univariate Cox hazard regression analysis was applied to the following clinical pathological variables from TN stage, M stage, pathological stage, CEA level, age, history of colon polyps, and the PCK1 expression level, again by using the survival packaging software. Furthermore, a nomogram was also visualized by using the R software to predict the 1 year, 3 year, and 5 year PFI and individual prediction. So we can see in the result, the expression level of PCK1 was downregulated in the colorectal adenocarcinoma tissues compared with the normal tissues. The hazard ratio, the HR of FPI, was 0.67 with 95% confidential interval ranging from 0.47 to 0.95, and p-value was 0.025. The univariate Cox hazard regression analysis showed that the CEA level T4 and 2 M1 stage and the stage 3 and 4 pathological stage and the PCK1 expression were all significantly related to the PFI, with all of the p-values less than 0.05. Then a nomogram based on this add clinical pathological variables and the 1, 3, and 5 year PFI probabilities were developed. As we can see here in the nomogram, the C index of the nomogram was 0.805, indicating that it has sufficient discrimination ability as it was more than 0.7, and the calibration curves of the 1, 3, and 5 years indicated the consistency of our results and the predicted values, which indicates that the satisfactory performance of this nomogram. In addition, 1, 3, and 5 year AUCs of the PCK1 based nomogram was 0.821, 0.782, and 0.826 respectively, showing a moderate prediction accuracy. So, in conclusion, PCK1 is overall downregulated in the colorectal adenocarcinoma tumor samples. However, higher expression of PCK1 in certain patients is associated with improved PFI, and the PCK1-based nomogram developed by this study might be helpful in predicting the PFI outcomes for the patients with colorectal adenocarcinoma.